In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit Substack. Whether you're a writer looking to delete your publication or a subscriber wanting to manage or cut ties with email subscriptions, I've got you covered. Let's break it down step by step to ensure a smooth transition from using the platform. First, let's focus on the writers who want to delete their publications. Begin by accessing your Substack account. Once logged in, navigate to your publication settings page. This is where you manage all things related to your publication, so it's your main base of operations for this process. Once you are in the settings, look at the left navigation bar. Here, you'll find an option ominously labelled Danger Zone. Don't be alarmed by the name, it simply refers to actions that are more permanent and significant, such as deleting your publication. Before you delete anything, you need to take care of any paid subscriptions. It's crucial to turn them off first to ensure that no payments are being processed after your publication is gone. To do this, disconnect your Stripe account, which is the payment processor linked with Substack. This step is essential to avoid any future inconveniences or monetary surprises. After you've handled the paid subscriptions, you'll see the option to delete publication. When you click this, you'll be guided through a series of prompts. Make sure to follow these thoroughly, as they will lead you to permanently remove your publication. Remember, this action is irreversible, so be certain you want to proceed before confirming. Now let's turn our attention to subscribers who wish to manage their email preferences or unsubscribe from publications. Start by going to your Substack home. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from this menu to continue. In the settings, locate the Subscriptions tab. Here you'll find a list of all the publications you are currently subscribed to. Scroll through this list to find the specific publication you wish to unsubscribe from. Once located, pay attention to the Notifications section. In the Notifications section, you'll see an option to unsubscribe. Clicking this will ensure you no longer receive emails from that particular publication. This gives you control over your inbox and helps manage the content you receive, tailoring it according to your current interests. By following these detailed steps, whether you're a writer seeking a fresh start or a subscriber organizing your inbox, you'll find quitting Substack a straightforward task. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Thanks for tuning in and good luck.